Hi, my name's Arraiya and I'm going to show you Airwheel Robot SE3SL. And this is just a suitcase, but it has wheels on it. Now I'm going to show you how to turn it on. First, we press this button, we press this one, and then it will open up like that. And then you have to put this all the way like that. Put this up. And you sit on it, and then this one is to go, and then this one is the brake.
Okay, show us again.
So this is like to go forward, this one's the brake. If you put both of them down, then you go backwards. Now I'm going to show you how to ride it. I'm going to go backwards now. And then forwards. Brake. There we go. This is a handle that you can pull up if you press that button. And then now I'm going to show you how to drag it. First, we go on this side. And then we go like this. This is how I'm going to pack it up. Turn it around. We'll press this button instead. Then we'll hold like that. And then we'll press this button. And then we get this. And you put all the way down. And then put this thing back in. Bye.